How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veins to pop out of your forearms step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBrook999. First exercise we're going to do is one of my favorites, and that's going to be forearm curls. So just like this. 17, 18, 19, keep going. It's 50. Perfect. We're going to take a quick little break. And then we're going to do hammer curls. So just like this. $30. Perfect. Quick little break. We are then going to do squeezes. So get your hands, squeeze really, really tight. Perfect. Quick little break. We are then going to go back to forearm curls. So just like this. $50 reps. Perfect. Quick little break. Then we are going to do squeezes. Keep squeezing. Squeeze really, really tight. Keep going, keep going. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.